Hi, this is Meet, CEO and co-founder of Wittybee. In this video, we'll be diving deeper into how Wittybee works and show you some amazing things you can do with Wittybee. Wittybee introduces a culture of task assignments, staff participation, and information sharing in your teams. It takes only 7 minutes to get used to Wittybee's user interface. However, it is adapting to the task culture that takes time, where people normally take 3 to 12 weeks. During this period, the organization must promote culture change by encouraging staff members to exchange tasks, participate in conversations, and share documents in team folders. As your teams progressively adapt to the new culture, you will start seeing boost in information awareness, efficiency, quality of work, accountability, and motivation levels in your teams. Well, one of the great things about Wittybee is its user experience that has been precision crafted to make Wittybee get out of your way while you work. Yet, Wittybee creates the most intricate interpersonal chemistry with you, bringing the best out of you as you work. As a first step towards adapting Wittybee, let's talk about tasks. In Wittybee, anyone can create a task in few easy steps. To create a task, click the Create button, then enter the team in which you would like to post the task. Optionally, you can even send tasks directly to other people or email addresses. Next, type the summary of the task, then add detailed description of the task and optionally include quality specifications. Next, enter names of one or more doers who are supposed to do the task. Further, enter the due date of the task in natural language. For example, in 3 days, or every Monday, or tomorrow. You can optionally request the doers to supply due dates by clicking here. Finally, click Post Task to create the task. All recipients receive the task. All team members as well as guests can see what is supposed to be done, how it is supposed to be done, who is supposed to do it, and when it is supposed to be done. Furthermore, recipients engage in live conversations with respect to tasks. As ideas and suggestions pour in, everyone stays fully aware of what's happening. Juniors get opportunities to participate. Seniors can visualize what's happening at microscopic levels of work and pour in their years of experience. And everyone can see who's read what, so that there are no expectation holes in communication. As doers start the task, they mark it as started. As the task converges to completion, the doers mark it as completed. Further, the assigner of the task can mark the task as reviewed. Next, the assigner may grade the doer, score the doer, or provide a remark. Finally, the assigner can provide a constructive feedback on the doer's performance, which is seen by everyone. This scheme of things has a profound impact on your organization. First, the information awareness increases exponentially, leading to reduced interruptions and reduced meeting hours. Secondly, your staff completely stops exchanging internal emails. Your organization sees a significant boost in quality of work due to increased participation and review process. And finally, your staff can visualize their work and feel collected about it. But what if you actually want to talk face to face with your remote teams? Simply click the video calling icon and start a video call with several members of your team. It can't get any simpler than this. Think of your organization as a chemical reactor that wants to reach a stable equilibrium. Wittybee acts as an effective catalyst for such chemical reactions to happen faster and better, propelling your growth. Now let's take a look at subtasks and some amazing things you can do with them. Tasks can further be broken down into bits of work called subtasks. One of the uses of subtasks is to note down action items of meetings so that all action items can be tracked. For example, it can be seen here that the decisions of a marketing meeting have been recorded as subtasks under a main task. team members are able to open any subtask and start live conversation on it. This mechanism ensures that all conversations stay well organized and that team members can converge work to completion without requiring further meetings and interruptions. At the end of the day, your staff knows that all action items will be completed and that no item will ever be left out. Now let's talk about how you can create teams with your colleagues, clients, customers, vendors, students, and just about anybody using Wittybee. Let's see examples of some teams. Let's start with your team of board members, then your management team, an advisory team consisting of your advisors, your extended management team, a project team, several project teams, client delivery teams, digital marketing team, more creative teams, your HR team, HR support ticketing, recruitment, an IT team for ticketing support, a team with your sales branch managers, regional sales teams, a production planning team, a team for each production line, your accounts team, purchase team, payroll, legal, finance, an announcement team for your staff, a suggestions team to invite suggestions from your staff, and so on. Essentially, you can create teams with any combination of people for any imaginable purpose. Simply click on New Team and follow the flow. Creating a team is straightforward and takes only few seconds. In Wittybee, all activities and documents in a team can be seen by all team members. This means that if you don't want Bob and Sam to see certain information, you must create another variation of your team that does not have Bob and Sam as team members. Further, every team has a team page containing team information, administrative functions, and settings. Simply click on the team name to visit the team page. On the team page, the team creator can add team members, remove them, set up their reporting hierarchy, or designate team admins to help administer the team. All activities and files in team are stored permanently on the Wittybee cloud and are searchable instantly by team members, ensuring information awareness and business continuity. Now let's talk about Wittybee accounts. If you are using Wittybee, it means you already have a Wittybee account. If not, simply go to wittybee.com, type in your work email address and click Sign Up. Fill up brief information about yourself and follow the straightforward sign up process and start using Wittybee. Once you sign up, you become the primary user. You can further add your staff members or students to Wittybee as your sub-users. To add staff members or students as your sub-users, simply click Invite your staff or students to Wittybee and fill up this form. Next, fill up their email addresses in this form and click Invite. Your invitees will receive an email with instructions to sign up. Once your staff members or students sign up, you may receive an email to confirm them as your sub-users. Once you click on the confirmation link, your sub-users can access Wittybee. To administer your staff's Wittybee accounts, simply click on your company name at the top left of the screen. As a primary user, you own your sub-users' Wittybee accounts. You have rights to add or delete sub-users. For example, if one of your staff members leaves, you may assign his Wittybee account to his replacement. Optionally, you can delete his Wittybee account and create a new Wittybee account for his replacement. You may designate new admins to help you administer your sub-user accounts. In a nutshell, you have full access and ownership of your sub-users' Wittybee accounts. Whether you are a primary user or a sub-user, you can use all Wittybee features such as building rappeurs, creating teams, posting tasks, and more. However, account management may be performed only by the primary user or designated admins. Now let's talk about rappeurs. In Wittybee, rappeurs are your social network connections. Once you build rapport with other Wittybee users, you can send them tasks and messages and also add them directly to your teams. You can build rapport with just about anyone you know, including your colleagues, customers, vendors, clients, and students. To build rapport with someone you know, simply search them and click Build Rapport besides their name. They will receive a rapport request, and when they accept your request, you will have a rapport with them. You can also build a confidential rapport with people you know. Confidential rapport appear to you as round profile pictures and are not visible to other people on your profile page. Now let's talk about Wittybee's synced cloud storage. If you have the Wittybee desktop app installed on your computer, you get a local folder called Wittybee folder. To see your Wittybee folder, simply click the Wittybee tray icon and then click Open Wittybee folder. Inside your Wittybee folder, you can see your team folders. These team folders have automatically been created by Wittybee. For example, let's open your marketing team folder. Here you can see two other subfolders, Admin and Attachments. Documents attached to tasks and comments inside your marketing team are automatically available in the Attachments folder. Documents that are placed in the Admin folder are changeable by team admins only, giving a change protection to such documents. Further, when you create or edit a document in your marketing team folder, the changes get automatically synced with all computers in your marketing team, and other team members receive a notification of the change. In a nutshell, Wittybee ensures that all team members have the latest updated documents on their computers at all times without the need of exchanging attachments. Next, inside your Wittybee folder, there's a special folder called Your Stuff. Documents placed inside the Your Stuff folder automatically sync with all of your other computers, avoiding the need of taking backups. Furthermore, copies of all documents in your Wittybee folder are also stored on the Wittybee cloud, giving you a 99.9999999% annual data durability. Compare this with the 95% durability of your hard drives. Well, that's all in this video. For questions or support, email us at support@wittybee.net. Thank you for watching.